also know that what type of products are manufactured from microbes. Okay, and what are the different microbes are used in the production of different what? Which product used in our daily life? Okay, so number one, dairy products. Okay, so lactic acid bacteria. You know na what is lactic acid bacteria? Mainly found in where? Where? In milk. Okay, so lactic acid bacteria found in milk. So example of one lactic acid bacteria, lactobacillus. Okay, understand? Lactobacillus is what type of bacteria? Lactic acid bacteria. Okay, here. Next, it converts lactose sugars of milk into lactic acid. So, lactobacillus bacteria have the ability, they can convert lactose sugars of milk into lactic acid. That means that you know already that lactose sugar is present in all milk. Okay, so that lactose sugar converted into lactic acid by which? By lactobacillus bacteria. Okay. Clear? Okay, na clear?
Yes.
Okay, so next, lactic acid causes coagulation and partial digestion of milk protein casein. So, casein is also a protein. Okay, casein একটা protein হয়, একটা protein এর নাম হয়. A name of protein casein. Okay, so casein acid bacteria mainly help in that process. মানে lactic acid bacteria casein digestion process help করিব. So again milk is turns into curd. So for this activity, I mean lactic acid bacteria help to convert milk to curd. Okay, curd is produced from milk. So why? How it produce? How curd is produced from milk? How? Tell me. কেনেকে হয় দৈটো গাখীৰৰ পৰা?
Ma'am, lactobacillus bacteria converts milk into lactic acid.
Yes, lactobacillus bacteria mainly help in the process. Okay, নিজে নিজে হ'ব নোৱাৰে ন? নিজে নিজে হ'ব নোৱাৰে, so কোনোবা এটা help কৰিব লাগিব. So that thing is lactobacillus bacteria. They help in the process to convert curd from milk. Okay. Very important question. Which bacteria help in the production of curd? Okay. Again, which bacteria convert milk to curd? These are same question. Answer will be same. Lactobacillus bacteria. Okay. So next, the starter or inoculum used in preparation of milk products actually contains millions of LAB. So any milk product, that product which are produced from milk, means যিবোৰ মিল্কৰ পৰা প্ৰডিউস হ'ব তাতে কি থাকিব ইন দ্যাট প্ৰডাক্ট ল্যাকটিক এসিড ব্যাকটেৰিয়া অলসো এভেইলেবল ল্যাকটিক এসিড ব্যাকটেৰিয়াটো তাতে এভেইলেবল হ'বই মানে যিবিলাক প্ৰডাক্ট মিল্কৰ পৰা ফৰ্ম হ'ব প্ৰডিউসড হ'ব ওকে ক্লিয়াৰ হৈছে ক্লিয়াৰ so number 1 a name of dairy products is curd. Okay, so about curd production, Indian curd is prepared by inoculating skimmed and cream milk with Lactobacillus acidophilus. Okay, at the temperature of about 40 degrees centigrade or less. That means very important point that Lactobacillus acidophilus bacteria help in the production of curd. Okay, and the required temperature for production of curd is what? What? 40 degrees centigrade or less. Means in 40 degrees centigrade, curd can be produced. Okay, so curd is more nutritious than milk as it contains a number of organic acids and vitamins including B12. Means what? Vitamin B12 and organic acids are what? Means curd contain মানে কাৰ্ডত থাকিব okay curd contains okay Hello? Hello? Hello, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, I just continue. Huh? So, okay, card is complete. Now, yogurt. Yogurt also a milk product. You already know, no? What is yogurt? It is produced by curding milk with the help of Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus burgerius. These names are very important. Be remember, huh? Okay. So, production of yogurt from milk, which bacteria helped? Which bacteria help in the process? Only Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus burgerius. Okay. These are two types of bacteria. So be remember, very, very important. Okay. So next again, the temperature is maintained at about 45 degrees centigrade. So for manufacturing yogurt or production of yogurt, the required temperature is what? 45 degrees centigrade. Okay. And for 4 hours. And required time is also 4 hours. ঠিক আছে মানে 4 ঘন্টা সময় লাগিব মানে yogurt produce হবলে from milk. It has a flavor of lactic acid and acid aldehyde. So flavor means what? You know flavor. What is flavor? Flavor of cake, flavor of chocolate means what? The flavor of yogurt is what? Like a lactic acid and acid aldehyde. Because lactic acid is present here. So their flavor is like acid, lactic acid. Okay. So again, yogurt is often sweetened and mixed with fruit. I mean, yogurt is also used for, they are sweetened and maybe salted. So again, yogurt is used for some fruit salad, making fruit salad. Okay, মানে fruit salad making কৰিবলৈও কি use কৰা হয়? Yogurt use কৰা হয়. Clear? Clear? All of you? Hello? Yes. Next, buttermilk. So again, buttermilk, how buttermilk produced from milk? It is acid related product. Okay, acid related product means what? They contain acid. Why they contain acid? Because I already mentioned that all milk product contain acid. So buttermilk also what? Acid related skim milk which started culture of Streptococcus cremoris. So the name of important bacteria is what? For production of buttermilk is Streptococcus cremoris. Okay, number one bacteria Streptococcus cremoris, number 2 Streptococcus lactis, number 3 Lactobacillus acidophilus and Leuconostoc. Okay, these are the bacteria which help in the production of buttermilk from milk. Okay, clear? And required temperature for production of buttermilk is only 22 degrees centigrade. Okay, and time 18 hours. An acid-related liquid left after churning of butter from curd is also called buttermilk. Means what? Acid-related means that contain acid. Okay, so acid-related liquid left after churning of butter from curd means the acid-related liquid which form from curd is also called buttermilk. Now clear? Everyone? Understand? Very easy. These are all our food product. Okay, all are food product. And what type of food product? Dairy products that are made from milk. Is it right? These all are milk product, right? Why not milk product?
Yes, ma'am.
And in the production of dairy product, some bacteria are what? How they can help? how they can help in the production of dairy products? You got any idea? Hello? Tell me, any idea? You have no any idea?